everybody! We have another thing to do today! Alright, I've never changed one of these before. I have a PS4 controller that I wanted to throw onto here, but I don't know where that is, so today we're changing this. This is the last generation of PlayStation controllers where it looks all blocky. Because the generation is like, it was sharp, then kind of less sharp, and then like there was this, and then it went to the DualShock 4, and then now the 5, which is just like so. But I love my OG PlayStation. Here's my Slim. This is a project that might be in the future, but I don't know. So I even got a nice stand to go with it, and then it clips on there, kind of nice. So that goes on the side of my computer station. So let us see what we need. We need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this shouldn't be too bad. Will any of these work? I have to get a real screwdriver. If anything, from my experience with working with these, it shouldn't be too bad. It's just there's one battery right here, which I'm assuming that's what this is that I got from Amazon's. Please, God, open. This explodes everywhere. I'm going to cry, not going to lie. I'm doing this standing up after leg day. My legs hurt. I haven't... Is there a screw in here? I can't even tell. Yes, I feel it now. Okay, so will this come out? Oh. Oh. It's a boy! And I lost. Oh, something fell out. Are you important? I don't know if this is important. Screws, those are important. Alright, that's still there. That is not there. We have lost some screws. We'll be able to find those. That's alright. That's okay. Yeah, the battery's right here. Oh, it doesn't even clip on. Dope. So unplug that. Get into our new. Come on, be a good boy. Oh, wait, this came with 2. Oh, and a kit. Oh, cool. Well, we do need this cable because I have one for my Arduino, but I didn't have one for this, so this is good. Really should have opened this before. I forgot this was the 2-pack. So let us plug in this bad boy like a show. Oh, it's so for real. I don't think they changed any of the proprietary technology from this to the PS5, minus them adding a touchpad. Because I'm pretty sure they use the same cores, but I could be wrong. Someone in the comment section go, actually? I swear to God, bro, please. Alright, that goes just right there, I guess. And then... those are the bumpers. Oh, okay. No, we're fine. Oh, no. Okay, hold on. You just stayed on? Oh, that's cool. It has a little, like, hinge mechanic. That's nice. Why'd it come out then? What? Shy. Oh. Oh, okay. Dope. Never mind. Answers to a lot of life's issues, I guess. Shove this in there, and... oh, another screw! That's 3. Where are the rest? You like turn it around and then gently, not firmly. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah. All right. I don't have a PS3 to test this on, but I know from experience this works. So cool. If you guys like that, like the video. This is a very short one. I do apologize. I have some longer videos in the running, but thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye bye.